Power 27 was designed for the modern traveler. With a 120-volt outlet, 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A fast-charging outlets, you can go anywhere and still charge anything, up to 5 devices at the same time. And when we say go anywhere, we mean go anywhere. It's 1,000 feet drop-proof rated and 4,000 pounds crush-proof rated. We've also incorporated an LED torch and strobe to help you find your way or be found in the dark. Your life is mobile. Free yourself from the wall. Go anywhere and charge anything. Remember, no matter what you're up against, the Power 27 was made for that. You no longer need to sacrifice quality for mobility. Feel free to roam, and we'll go with you.
Meet Geoprees, an astonishingly easy, supremely effective water purifier designed for adventure travel anywhere, worldwide. Geoprees is perfectly sized, extremely portable, compact, and the user experience, it's second to none. Simply fill, press, drink. Since our 2016 Kickstarter, Grail purifiers have hydrated over 100,000 adventures, won awards, and earned over 500 5-star reviews. The Kickstarter community was vital, providing not just resources, but incredibly useful feedback that guided our Geoprees design process. We could not have done this without the Kickstarter community, and we hope you'll support us again. Thank you.
This is my hammock. Let's call it Treem Hammock.
It's likely one of the most comfortable flat-lay hammocks you can ever find. It feels almost like a bed. Its innovative 4-connection point construction makes it very stable and impossible to flip over. But still, you can enjoy a little swing if you like. It is double layered, so you can put any sleeping pad inside and always stay warm. It is lightweight but tough and durable because it's made of ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene and ripstop nylon.
Vagabond Home. A good night's sleep anywhere on the road. Call it a rooftop tent, car top tent, pop-up tent, or a reimagined camping rig. It'll change the way you travel and open up new adventures. Whether you love extreme sports, road tripping, discovering remote places, or just having the freedom to go where you want, when you want, Vagabond Home is for you. A resin infusion process makes it the lightest fiberglass rooftop tent of its size. It also provides exceptional thermal insulation, and an anti-theft lock protects your tent and your belongings. Vagabond Home has traveled a long way. Over the last 2 years, we've gone through research, conceptual and engineering design, prototyping and testing. Now you can help Vagabond Home reach production and join the world of vagabonds.